Listen, Cara, stop. No do that. Oh, you for blame me for that. Alright, here we go on. I apologize for don't call you, but don't blame me for your accident.
By the way you called me the other day sound like a something serious and I'm just worried. You make me wonder if there's something wrong with the baby.
That's your problem. Me never tell you say for worry none at all. I just tell you say we need for talk.
What you don't talk about then?
Not everything you want to talk about that guy.
Mike, don't do that, Mike. Don't hype me up. Don't hype me up. And then tell me say, you don't want to talk about it. You don't want to talk about that now.
So what is plan B if the music business don't take off? Especially when music is competitive.
Well, you know, Kerry, I just said come down to the skills. You see me? Because I have general construction same way. We always have to hunt for your food. So any little hustling and them things the same way. I hustle, I'm not afraid. But you see, three little vibes and things me have to stay top in. Like when you have enemies around and the bag of war and the violence, you did that go on there, they do the same.
Yeah.
You have to stay for my guard. You see now like how the place free up and things. Out there again, so I can go around in the areas them and continue to do my work I normally do.
Well, I'm glad you have a plan B. You see the money that you gain from that, you can invest it in your music.
Kerry, it's like you're seeing in my thoughts.
Oh yeah?
And you have a manager sound as well. You know, can manage my career same way.
Who, me? I don't know anything about music.
Well, it's easy, it's simple. You understand how they do make sure the bookings are right? I will prepare to tour them the whole world.
Oh, tour. That's so nice.
Definitely.
Yeah. You know what? Focus on your music first. And then afterward we will talk about management.
You know, I'm rated. Yeah, I'm rated. I'm with a love for dating. You know.
Daddy.
Ashley, you alright? You sure?
Daddy, can get some snacks, please?
Okay, Ashley.
Now moving forward, Ashley won't be getting any more snacks. She'll be getting fruits. Ashley, I will give you some fruits, okay?
Yay, fruit!
Alright, let me ask you something. You been involved with a politician? Hello? You there?
Yeah, me there. Why you ask that?
Oh, if you answer a question with a question. Alright, let me get to the point. I true said you nearly killed one politician daughter.
They talk to Savage.
Answer me.
Mikey, I go through a lot. I go through a lot and I need the help. Marcus was not even a relationship. So, some women don't understand. Women don't understand, Mikey. Why now? Why this relevant now? Why all of this? How this come up? Me did need some help and he did it for me. Me ain't never there. No. Me ain't never there. So nothing not supposed to wrong with you. What the problem now? What the problem?
Yo, let me tell you this. Me no business who you there with or who you did there with. Me just want to know say your headspace right, so me not have to worry when you there around my daughter.
Hello, sir. Back up.